Here are 10 practical lessons from the 6 Pillars of Self-Esteem by Nathaniel Branden. Living consciously. 1. Engage your mind. Break free from autopilot and actively engage your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Be present in the moment and observe your internal landscape without judgment. 2. Question limiting beliefs. Identify and challenge negative self-beliefs that hold you back. Use logic and evidence to replace them with empowering truths about yourself. 3. Embrace responsibility. Take ownership of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Stop blaming external forces and acknowledge your power to choose and respond. Accepting yourself. For unconditional self-acceptance, strive to accept yourself fully, flaws and all. This doesn't mean condoning negative behaviors, but recognizing your worth as a human being. 5. Release the need for approval. Stop seeking validation from others and find your own internal source of worth. Base your self-esteem on your own values and accomplishments. 6. Face your fears. Don't avoid difficult emotions or experiences. Confront your fears head-on and learn from them, building resilience and self-confidence. Taking responsibility. 7. Focus on solutions, not problems, instead of dwelling on challenges. Actively seek solutions and take concrete steps to overcome them. Develop a problem-solving mindset and build your coping skills. 8. Embrace commitment. Make conscious choices and follow through on your commitments. Develop the discipline and self-control necessary to achieve your goals. 9. Live with integrity. Align your actions with your values and beliefs. Be honest with yourself and others and stand up for what you believe in. Living intentionally. 10. Define your purpose. Discover what gives your life meaning and direction. Set clear goals and pursue them with passion and dedication. Live a life that aligns with your values and aspiration. These are just a few of the practical lessons offered in the 6 Pillars of Self-Esteem. By applying these principles in your daily life, you can build a more solid foundation for self-confidence, personal growth, and well-being. Remember, self-esteem is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Please like and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more inspirational content. Thank you.